Right. I'm gonna do, okay.
And you do a clear and turn to the right.
Yeah.
Clear right.
Right, you said left,
Right.
I'm sorry.
Add a little nose up trim when you turn, right? Because when you turn, you lose a little lift.
Yeah.
Trim, nose up trim, a little bit. There.
Turn left.
Okay. Leesburg practice area 5165, Mike is south of 340 and southeast of the Berryville city. That's enough. 90 degrees. Remember, one turn to the right, one turn to the left?
Yeah.
Okay. 3,500 feet, practicing slow flight.
So we have landing.
No, you're going to do slow flight, all right?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to have to start. Do I have to start now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want you to hold 3,500 feet.
First flap.
Okay, don't turn the airplane. You don't want to. You want to pick your a point on the horizon, right?
Full flaps.
What's next?
45 knots.
Then what? Remember, you always want to talk to yourself when you're doing this maneuver, right?
2000 RPM.
Right. Okay. And how much altitude do we lose?
About 1500, no, almost 500.
300 feet.
300 feet.
Right, we're at 3,200.
Yeah.
All right, and we turn more than 30 degrees, all right?
Yeah. Maneuvering area, this is Skyhawk 5294 Whiskey, heading north over Route 7, Leesburg.
Yeah, Leesburg practice area 5165, Mike is south of Summit Point, 3,500 feet over 340, 3,200 feet, practicing slow flight. So you want to get back up to 35.
Okay.
Add a little bit of power, and I want you to keep your aileron straight, right? Because your nose keeps on turning to the left or to the right, right? And I don't hear that horn. You want to hear the stall warning horn, right?
Yeah.
Here, let's keep a heading. So let's try to keep a 330 heading, okay, Seth?
Okay.
And pitch up a little bit more, for, you know? Pitch up. You want to hear that horn. But don't let your nose swing left or right, right? You may be giving it too much aileron to the right when you do that. Alright, don't have tunnel vision, Seth. Look around to your left and look to your right, right? Look at this stuff, right? What is this telling you right here? We're 55 knots, right?
Yeah.
We're not at 45. 45, gotta increase the angle of attack.
Yeah.
See that? See that? It's pretty close.
Yeah.
There's the horn right there. See that? And I'm holding the right rudder.
Okay.
There it is, right? And any further increase in angle of attack could result in a stall, right?
Yeah.
Okay. They're pretty close to stall there. We want to hold that. 45 knots. It's very close, right? Hold that right rudder. Now, I want you to give me a left turn.
Okay.
Look to your left and give me a slow left turn, okay? And I want you to try to get down to 3,500 feet.
Okay.
Hey, Leesburg, practice area 5165, Mike, over Summit Point, 3,500 feet. Slow flight. What happened to your airspeed?
Going up.
Yeah, so reduce a little bit of power, okay? Here's stuff. I got controls?
Yeah, you have controls.
Right. I got controls. All the way. Alright. So, see how we climb? We went from 30,
500
32, alright?
Yeah.
To 37, but we didn't hold 30, 35. Watch your knees, by the way, there.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to demonstrate this to you again, okay?
Okay.
Doing a clearing turn here. Now look, I'm gonna keep it right on the city, okay? And I'm gonna bug it. So I'm gonna put 060 right here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to stay at 3,500 feet. All right, so we're gonna do first 10 degrees of flaps below 110, 1,500 RPM.
Yep.
Airspeed starts slowing down.
Area, Skyhawk 5294 Whiskey is about 2 miles southwest of Charlestown and 3,500. Deep turns.
Okay, you see that?
Yeah.
3,500 feet, right? Just like this. Hey, Leesburg, practice area 5165. Mike, this is 1.5 miles to the east, 3,500 of Summit Point. See that? 3,500, like this, right?
Yeah.
That's the key. Like I'm keeping the airplane pretty well balanced. I mean, the airplane's nose is not moving too much. See that? That little trim is it's quite stable here. See that?
Yeah.
Even when I turn, right? And to basically correct that, gonna increase the power, reduce the angle of attack, right?
Yeah.
Flaps incrementally up. There it is. That's good. Okay, I want you to do it again, okay?
Air controls.
Your controls.
So turn left or right?
Clear turn to the right.
Right, okay.
Try to hold 3,500.
Yep.
And I'll tell you what, we're going to pick a heading. This heading right here, and I want you to keep on that heading, okay?
So you want me to...
Fly this heading.
Oh, okay. Good.
210, yep.
Okay.
Okay? Then I want you to see Berryville's right in front of us.
Yeah.
Okay? Now I want you to do slow flight again, okay?
Okay. I want to make 3,500.
Yep. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, hold the nose up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 degrees of flaps, slow and 10.
Full flaps.
Full flaps, don't get too high, right?
Yeah.
Down a little bit. Hold that right rudder. Add some power now, right? You have 45 knots, right? Don't let the airplane turn so much. Hold it continuous. There you go. Very nice. A little bit more right rudder, Seth.
Yeah.